Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Tiara. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved these lash results. I found a new style of lashes and they give more of a wispy look, a style of individual lashes, and I wanted to give them a try and update you guys on how I put these on my channel. So here we go. I'm using the iENVY Classic 3D Trio lashes in medium and long. The thing about these lashes is that they're slightly more wispy than the regular individual lashes, and I like using the trios because they're just quicker to apply than the regular individuals. And here I'm trying to show you the comparison of the traditional lashes versus these trios, and they're just more wispy than the traditional individual lashes, and I think that makes for a more fluffy look and more like the lash extensions. And I'm showing you this glue so you don't buy it. It doesn't work, okay? Don't buy it. This is the glue I ended up using, the Sassy Eyelash Glue, and it's basically just like the black hair glue but in white form, and it dries clear. So I got this at my local beauty supply store for maybe like $2 or $3, I believe. So I did one eye off camera. Here you can see the difference. I don't like mine to be over full, but just a little bit more volume. Please ignore that nasty pimple on my head. Ugh, I'm letting y'all get really up close and personal. Here I put a little bit of that glue in the glue pocket if it'll focus, and I'm just going to take my tweezers and also comb through my lashes to make sure that they are not clumped together, even though I don't really have that many to be clumped together. And I'm doing this on a clean face. I just washed my face before I sat down to do this, so I have no products or oils on my eye. So you want to flip the lash upside down and dip it into the glue. Traditionally, you would do it to the bottom of the lash, but because I placed my lashes under my eye, you want to apply the glue to the top of the lash to be placed on your eye, and then I just blow it for about 25 seconds to make sure the glue gets tacky, to make sure when I place it down it immediately sticks to my eye. So you want to start by pulling your eye up a little bit, and I have a mirror to the side, but it helps if you have one kind of like right in front of you or at a lower angle. And you want to place it as close to your waterline, not on your waterline, not on the skin, but as close to the hair on your lashes or your lashes in your waterline as possible. And then if you get too close, just slide it out some, but you can see because I let it set some, it's able to stay there. Still a little tacky, but I'm just using the end of the tweezer to push it into place. And you will essentially continue to do that with the rest of it. Just place it right next to it as close as you can. So my first eye I did perfectly, and I think this one, it doesn't come out as good, but it was just the pressure of the camera and everything. So y'all see how my first eye turned out. It turned out good. And I apologize for the blurry footage. It was not in focus. I had my blur up way too high, so it wasn't focusing properly, but it's really self-explanatory. I really just wanted to show you guys these lashes to show you a different look you can get, because I already have an individual lash tutorial on my channel, but I wanted to show you these new style of lashes to show you the effect you could get and, you know, switch it up from your traditional lashes. I will say that if I know some people who like to layer theirs up a little bit more than I do and do like multiple layers, and I think that would be really pretty if you love that volume and the fullness, but I don't like that. I like mine just to create a little bit of volume, little fan effect. So here I'm taking my spoolie again and just combing through the lashes, making sure they look pretty even. I was in a rush. I had to go do a client's makeup before I did this, so I didn't give the glue time to dry, but I just wanted to get on here and show you guys this really quickly. And I like doing the underneath because like when you look down, you don't see all the bands from the lashes. This method doesn't last as long as traditional lashes on top or individual lashes placed on top, because it's closer to the water that your eye produces, but it gives a nice effect. Usually lasts me about a week, maybe a week and a half if I'm really careful, but I'm usually not. So here I'm just showing you a comparison of the different types of lashes I've done here on my channel, and can we just take a moment to thank God for the upgrade in quality. Thank you, Jesus. But tell me your fave, and I will also link those videos below. But if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment what you want to see next, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye my loves.